Well, hey, Minnesota historians! Happy Thursday! Hello again, it's Miss Hawes. I hope you've had a good week. It's been kind of a cool, rainy week, but I hope that it's given you an opportunity to just kind of relax a little bit and be calm and get cozy and be comfortable with being inside a little bit. So, I'm here today just to share with you. It's Thursday, but it's our last day of the week because tomorrow there will be no new social studies content that comes out, and on Monday as well, May 4th, we will not have any work coming out. It's a time for your teachers to prepare, do a little bit more work to get ready for our extended distance learning that we got going on through the month of May and through the rest of the school year. And so you will not have work to do on May 1st, Friday, or May 4th, Monday, unless you need to catch up. So take that time to catch up if you need to, or if you need to reach out to teachers, we'll still be around. So hit us up, all right? Today on tap, because it is like a Friday, it is the last day of the week. We've got our flow here. So today you'll actually finish up your notes if you haven't finished them, and you'll take your weekly quiz, even though it's not Friday, and you'll also turn in your bell ringer. So make sure that you're getting that work turned in, all right? Because it is Thursday, we have our office hours today from 9:30 to 10:30. Mr. Ziegler and I are available to meet with you, to check in, to give you help or support if you need it, to answer questions. So please come see us, come show us your faces. It's always a pleasure to see you guys. We love seeing you. Bell ringer questions for today. Would you rather be a baker? So we're talking about flour, right? Would you rather be a baker, a lumberjack, or Jill for the ladies? Or would you like to be a miner? Which of these jobs would be most appealing to you and why? Why would you pick that job? I'd rather be a baker. I love to bake. I bake all the time. I love to make bread. I love to make cookies. I love to make cake. My family's like, stop baking. There's too many delicious sweets around. So, what would you rather do? And then, would you ever go down into an underground mine? Is that something that you'd be curious or interested to experience? And if so, you can check that out. We have mines in Minnesota, so if that's something that you'd like to experience, talk to your families. Today is the day. Oh, one last thing about that. Make sure that you are turning in your bell ringer today in Google Classroom. Okay, that is due, so turn that in. You'll get your points for the week. Here's a quick review on understanding the iron industry. Make sure your notes are complete. Natural resources, machines, and people. And that is not something that you have to, it's not something that will grade, so not something that you necessarily have to turn in. This is optional. If you would like to play a review game, you can do some flashcards for Quizlet. You can play a Jeopardy game, or there's a Kahoot there. Maybe you want to challenge your family or somebody else in your house to participate with that with you to help you kind of get ready. So even if you're just looking for something to do, these are kind of fun games to play. Lastly, this is your link to your Minnesota History Distance Learning Weekly Quiz. All right, today is like a Friday, so you're going to take that quiz today. I know it's not Friday, but we're going to get it done so you don't have to worry about it on Friday. All right, so get that done. It's worth 10 points of kind of our weekly 25 points that we've been putting out there. So make sure that you are taking this test, taking this quiz, doing the best that you can. Use your notes, use your ebook, use whatever else you can to help you. Couple of videos for you, a couple more resources. There's that Sudan underground mine video, some links to different maps of the Iron Range or the Mesabi Range if you're curious about it, and then some additional fun videos of what life might be like without iron. So these are not required, and it says in that red, right, not required. You do not have to look at these things or use these things, but if you're curious, if you want to know more, if you're bored, check them out. It's worth your time, all right? As always, if you have questions, reach out. Have a great day. Have a great long weekend. I miss you, and we'll talk soon. Bye.